Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are here again to review and provide a tutorial for the U78 Plus Smartwatch. Okay, last time we synchronized and connected to the Android support app. This time what we are after is we are going to show you on how to connect to the iOS platform, particularly the iPhone smartphone. Okay, so there's a lot of questions on how to connect and synchronize their U78 Plus smartwatch. Usually some of the users encountered some problems, some issues with their synchronization, and they are asking if the smartwatch really works with the iOS, or is it really compatible with the iOS platform. So our goal for today is to synchronize it to show you that the U78 Plus smartwatch is compatible with the iOS platform. Again, care to check our tutorial on this one. Okay, the specifications of the U78 Plus smartwatch and its compatibility with the iOS platform, the version. Okay, try to check. Again, if you have any questions regarding this smartwatch or this video, please drop a comment below and we will answer your queries. Okay, so let's start. So we have here the U78 Plus smartwatch, and we have the user manual. Okay, so here in the user manual we have the support app. So it is the VBand. You can download it, okay, by scanning the QR code here. Again, it says here the iOS support 8.0 and above platform with the Bluetooth hardware 4.0 and above. So try to check it on your smartwatch as well as the smartphone. Okay, check your smartphone if the smartwatch is compatible with the version here. Okay, or if you don't have a QR code scanner, although it is very easy to download the QR code scanner, there are a lot of free QR code scanner online. You can also search the VBand support app on the Play Store or on the App Store for iOS. Okay, so let's start and check. So we have here the App Store. Let's check for so it says here the VBand. Try to check also the icons here if it's similar. So we have here the VBand support app. Okay, so we have here health and fitness. Okay, so let's try to download it. Okay, and we'll try to install it with and connect it with our U78 Plus smartwatch. Okay, and while we are waiting, okay, so that was fast. So open. Okay, so allow VBand to access your location. Okay, let's have a closer look while you are using the app. Normally I'm not comfortable of showing the location for my smartphone as well as other permissions, but just to try it out and see if there's a conflict or not. Okay, so let's allow it for the meantime. If you're not comfortable with it, you can set it off on the support app later when you have successfully connected your smartwatch. Okay, for the meantime, let's allow it to see if it's really working or not. Okay, so add device here, but for that, let's go to settings first of your smartphone and check whether the Bluetooth is working or not. So here, so we have connected it before. Okay, forget this device. So let's start from the scratch here. Again, go to VBand. So we have here, add device from the list. Okay, so it is activated here. Go to the settings of your smartwatch. So we have, please select the device to pair. So let's start. VBand would like, so Bluetooth pairing request, U78 Plus would like to pair with your iPhone. So just select pair. VBand would like to send your notifications. Allow for the meantime. And let's turn it on for the Apple Health synchronization. Allow, and that's it. So as you can see, very smooth synchronization with our iPhone. Okay, it is now connected. So let's check if it's really working here. Custom dial. So we have here the analog and then the custom dial here. Show date. What else? What are the options here? Let's see if it's okay. Let's go for this one. Simple. Okay. As you can see, smooth. It's real time, or it automatically synchronizes the watch face to your smartwatch. Again, let's try another one. How about this one? We'll see. That's it. Okay, so what are the options here? Is it the same with the Android platform? So we have here some options. You can toggle it on or off. 24-hour system. Okay, we have also 12 hours here, I think. You turn it off, it will switch 12 hours. So do not disturb. Sedentary reminder. We have drinking reminder, heart rate setting, and body temperature. Okay, we also have a remote camera. Okay, VBand would like to access the camera. Okay, we'll see. So it's, see, as you can see here, the setup here on the smartwatch automatically switch to the camera function of the phone. Okay. Okay, so that's it. There's a slight delayed on the functionality. Anyways, it's working. Okay. Okay, long press. All you have to do, just long press. Then you will feel a slight vibration on the smartwatch. Okay. Support, steps, body temperature, sleep monitoring. Also have here the heart rate monitoring. So far we have a very smooth synchronization and connection with a support app in the iOS platform to our U78 Plus Smartwatch. Okay, so far no issues, no concern that we have encountered. Okay, what else? What functionality do we have here? So we have a GPS here. I think this is connected to GPS. We have synchronization with the Apple Health. You also have the steps goal here. Device, other settings. Okay. We have reminder here. Social app support includes WeChat, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, KakaoTalk, Viber, Instagram, Skype, Line, and other messaging apps. So we have incoming call support here. SMS. So all you have to do, if you don't want the functionality, just toggle it off. Also have alarms, at least 3 alarms here can be added. So we also have here the firmware update. So let's check. Oh, it's the latest version. So that's it for your smartwatch synchronization with the iOS platform, the U78 Plus Smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this smartwatch and other issues, please comment down below, and if we have time, we'll answer your queries. Goodbye.